A new way to discover real estate. Introducing Dune. With the power of our no-code multi-touch software, Dune presents a modern and innovative touch experience for exploring luxury real estate. The user starts at the main menu, a clean and elegant interface with clear icons and animated transitions. From here, visitors can dive into different layers of the project, from 360-degree apartment views to detailed floor plans and architectural visuals. View 360 allows you to step inside the apartment, virtually. With just a swipe, you can look around in all directions, as if you're already there. With VirtualBook, brochures become interactive. Users can flip through virtual book pages, explore floor plans, all within the same seamless interface. The slide widget presents curated photo galleries. From material textures to living room impressions, every image underlines the elegance and atmosphere of the property. In hotspots, the user can browse different floors, compare layouts, or access details about each apartment to learn more about materials, dimensions, or individual rooms. The integrated web browser extends the experience even further, without ever leaving the table. This isn't just a presentation, it's a digital real estate journey powered by EYEFACTIVE's multi-touch software platform, redefining how we explore the spaces of tomorrow. Find more information in the video description and feel free to leave us a like and comment down below.